On Windows 11, a power mode is a group of specific hardware and system settings to control the energy on a computer. Windows 11 uses a balanced power mode that automatically balances performance with energy consumption on a capable hardware. However, depending on your device or situation, you can change the power mode to save energy or increase performance at the cost of more energy consumption. To select a different power mode on Windows 11 through the settings app, use this step. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to change power mode on Windows 11. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click on System. Click the Power. In the Power Mode settings, select the mode to use on Windows 11 including Best for efficiency, save energy by reducing the device performance when possible. Balance, automatically balance performance with energy consumption on capable hardware. Best performance, offers the most performance but uses more energy. Once you complete the step, Windows 11 will control the power consumption based on the selected mode, offering more performance, better battery life, or a balance between performance and energy. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.